Mom. That's not how the cool people walk.
Cool people walk like this.
This is how the bad boys walk. Yeah.
And this is how we walk.
Let's see, Leo, where should we look? There's some
Excuse
lamps.
me?
Oh, yes, dear.
Do you know where the pantry aisle is?
Sweetheart, I think you're at the wrong store. You might want to try JCPenney's.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day, honey.
Your face gets all red. Your face is red. I'm gonna climb on the ladder. It's going red. And boys only. We're like Dumb and Dumber. What if they have a video camera in here? Then you're gonna be on video. Fail. Oh.
Wow.